In this video, I'm going to reveal to you a method of making money from YouTube by just uploading simple relaxation meditation videos. Anyone can do this. You don't need any experience. You don't even need videos. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that now. But before I reveal that, I'm just going to explain to you that this is not one of those videos where I'm going to tell you to get Creative Commons videos or somehow steal other people's videos and upload them yourself and get ad revenue that way by using other people's content. You will not need to do that. This does not go over that kind of strategy. It's a whole new strategy that you've probably never heard of before. This strategy works in any country where you can receive YouTube revenue. It doesn't matter if you have a ton of experience or no experience at all. And it only takes about a half hour per day. So anybody can do this in their spare time. And in this video, I'm going to show you where to get the images, where to get the videos, where to get your music, because we're going to make meditation, relaxation kind of music videos that make a ton of money and get a ton of views. So I'm going to show you where to get all of that. You don't need to do any of your own research. Sit back, relax, and watch the rest of this video. Now, before we get started, here's a clear example of what I'm talking about. This is a 3-hour long video that's just mindfulness, relaxation type of music in the background, and one stock video that just keeps repeating on a loop over and over and over again. It's 3 hours long, so whoever uploaded this video is getting a lot of watch time and a lot of ad revenue. Now, with this method, you do not want to put mid-roll ads inside of your video. For those of you who know what I'm talking about, those are the ads that pop up in the middle of your video because people are meditating and relaxing, so it kind of defeats the purpose. Instead, you want to have your ads in the beginning and at the end of your video. Okay, now I'm not playing the music in the background right now because I want you guys to hear my voice, but this is it. This is the entire video on a loop for 3 hours, and they have an entire channel like this. Let's go look at it. Now here we are at the channel. It's meditation and relaxation music channel, and as you can see, this is their entire channel. This one is 10 hours long. Their entire channel is just that. It's videos on a loop that are royalty free. They didn't have to steal them. They didn't have to take them from another creator, and then just relaxing meditation style music in the background. Like I said, anyone can do this. This is super easy, and it's completely free. Now, before we get going here, I'm going to show you how to do all this, how to create your own channel like this that makes money. If it's your first time on this channel, my name is the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now, if we head on over here to Socialblade and we punch in this channel's information to get their statistics, we can see here that they get 631,000 views per month, every 30 days. Now, in my experience, Socialblade's estimates in their earnings are way off, but on the low end, they make about $158 to $2,500 per month. I can guarantee you in my own experience that this is super low. It's probably closer to 10 to 15,000 a month. They have over 500,000 subscribers, so they have a YouTube play button sitting in their house. And again, this method is super easy. Anybody can do it. And without further ado, I'm going to get into exactly how you can create a channel just like this. And it's super easy. You can do it in your spare time and start getting passive income. Now, first things first, where do you get the videos or the still shots from? You can just use a photo, or you can use a video that plays on a loop like that channel does. You're going to go over to this website called Pixabay.com. Now that we're at Pixabay, you can see that they actually give you free photos, illustrations, vectors, videos, music, sound effects. We're interested in the free videos. And if we type in something like relaxing in the search bar here, it's going to give us all these results. These are completely free. Someone relaxing by the lake. There's a beach. There's some coffee. There's another beach. I mean, we can look and we can see what we want to use as our video in our video that's just going to play on a loop with some music in the background. And it's super simple to just download one of these, put it on your computer, and get ready to upload it to YouTube. I like this one here with the turtle swimming by. So now that we have an unlimited stream of videos that we can get for free without having to pay anybody, without having to go to court for copyright or anything like that, we can just go to Pixabay and get ourselves a free video. Now, where do we get the music? Where do we get the relaxing music in the background? This is going to surprise you. But before I reveal where you get your music from, completely royalty free, not stealing it from any artists or creators, make sure you smash that like button if you like the method that I'm giving you so far. Smashing that like button lets the YouTube algorithm know that you like this and you want more people to see content like this. You want more people to make passive income. So it's highly appreciated, not just by myself, but by the rest of the YouTube community. Okay, so you were asking, where do I get the music from? Where do I get the relaxing music? Believe it or not, you get it from YouTube itself. YouTube is actually a great resource for royalty-free music. That means you don't have to pay anyone, neither royalties or upfront, for the music that you download from YouTube. Right here in your YouTube studio, now you have a channel, right? You go into your YouTube studio, you go down to where it says audio library, music that you can use on your channel, on your videos. So all you have to do is mess around with the genre or the mood and get to the kinds of music that you want on your channel. Now, since we're doing relaxing, like meditation type of music, we're gonna filter this by genre, and we're gonna go over to, let's say, ambient, and apply. Now you can see we get all this ambient music to choose from, but we don't wanna stop there. Let's filter even deeper and let's go towards mood, and we want a specific type of mood. Let's pick inspirational. We want inspiring, relaxing meditation type of music. Let's click apply, and there you go. All you get is a list of ambient inspirational music that you can use completely for free with your videos on a loop. And you can see this goes on for pages and pages and pages, and they're always updating this. They always have new music that they put on here. So there's never a shortage. Now all you have to do is go over to the far right and click download, and now you have your music. Now there are a lot of other sites on the internet that give you royalty-free music, but a lot of them are pay, like monthly. They have like a subscription. You could just go straight to YouTube and use these for now until your channel starts making great passive income every single month, and then you can start expanding from there and finding more places to find videos, more places to find music, and keep adding to your meditation / relaxation channel. So leave a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And if you want to learn more about all the different ways I teach how to make money online on this channel, click on this playlist right here. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.